In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Zoho books. It's an essential task if you're looking to bolster the security of your account. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply feel it's time for an update, this guide will walk you through each step smoothly and efficiently within a few minutes. So let's dive in and make sure your Zoho books account is as secure as possible. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Zoho books website. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and navigating to their page. It's a good idea to bookmark it if you use Zoho books frequently, as this will save you time in the future. Once you're there, look around the page to get familiar with the interface, which is user-friendly. Next, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's typically situated in the upper right-hand corner of the page, offering easy access to return users. Go ahead and click on Sign In, which will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and current password. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity, ensuring that only authorized users can access the account settings. Be sure to type your details carefully to avoid any login errors. If you have any trouble, double check for typos or try clicking on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Alternatively, if you're a fan of convenience and have linked your Google account, Zoho Books provides an option to sign in using Google. To do this, simply click on the Google Sign In option and you'll be taken to a page where you can select your Google email. This method not only streamlines your login process but also eliminates the need to remember yet another password. Once you've successfully logged into your Zoho Books account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the hub of your account, providing quick insights and access to various features of Zoho Books. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as a well-understood dashboard can be a powerful tool for managing your finances. From the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to My Account. This is where you can manage all account-related settings and personal preferences. You'll typically find this option in the top menu or possibly in a drop-down menu under your profile photo. Clicking on My Account will direct you to a page dedicated to managing your account details. On your account page, look for the security option. It's the section where you can make modifications related to account security, including updating passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and more. Clicking on security will take you to another page focused solely on these security measures. Here, you'll want to find and click on the password section. This area specifically deals with updating or changing your account password. By selecting this option, you are taking a proactive step in enhancing your account's protection against unauthorized access. After clicking, you will be prompted to enter your current password again for security reasons. This additional step ensures you have the authority to make changes to the account, providing an extra layer of security. Once you've done that, you can enter your new password. Remember, a strong password is usually at least 8 characters long, incorporates both uppercase and lowercase letters, includes numbers and special symbols, and doesn't rely on easily guessed information like birthdays or common words. Confirm your new password by typing it once more. This confirmation step is crucial as it verifies that you've entered your desired password correctly without any typographical errors. Double check your entry to ensure you've provided the same password in both fields. Finally, confirm your changes. This might involve clicking a change or update password button, which will apply the changes to your account. It's this final action that solidifies your new password into the system, ensuring your previous password is no longer valid. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your password on Zoho Books. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're keeping your financial data protected. Remember, regular updates to your password are a smart strategy for maintaining security. Aim for a change every few months or so, and always stay alert for any suspicious activity within your account. Changing your password is just one part of maintaining good digital hygiene. Consider enabling two-factor authentication and regularly reviewing your account activity to further secure your online presence. Thanks for taking the time to join me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to make your digital life easier and safer.